In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to Inspiration from Nahjul Balagha. Discover timeless wisdom from Nahjul Balagha, a treasure trove of sermons, letters, and sayings by Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, collected during 4th century by Sayyid al-Razi. What's in Nahjul Balagha? Sermons. Powerful speeches on justice, spirituality, and leadership. Letters. Guidance on personal and social conduct. Sayings. Short, insightful wisdom on life. Why watch? Universal lessons. Valuable for people all faiths. Personal growth. Insights on leading a just and meaningful life. Leadership. Tips. Timeless advice for effective leadership. Join us. Uncover lessons that inspire and change. Subscribe to Inspiration from Nahjul Balagha for a journey of enlightenment.